So guys, hello once again. I want to make a quick dinner. It's a Sunday today, the what's the date? The 22nd, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna make a quick dinner. Yeah, so this is the bowl that I'm going to use. Earlier on I went to Spar just to grab izinto endizazipheka because ugirl la endlini doesn't cook. Doesn't cook. So yeah, so these are the items that I got from Spar. I ran out of this sponge, so I bought Zona. And then for supper, I'm going to make a sweet corn, wings, chicken wings, and I bought veggies. Yeah, I remember it's a lazy meal. I'm going to boil this one. I'm going to put this in the air fryer, so you will see right now. And I bought spices. I always don't like to buy a lot of things because I end up throwing them away. So I bought spicy steak and chicken by Robert Singh, and then black pepper by Robert Singh, and then paprika. I think I have 6 gram, so I'm going to mix all these. So yeah, let's go boil this. So my wings are washed, so now I'm going to use paper towel just to dry them up. There's gonna be a lot of wings. Red Bull gives you wings. Yo guys, whilst I'm petting this wings dry, can we talk about how the devil attack a vision? Like you will have your vision, and then when your vision iba iqala okanye sowugqibile, and then akubambe ngento encinci devil into yobana you will not get. Let's say you want to build a home because you want to create peace, space, independence and stuff. And then you build your home, and then after building the home is there, but you cannot live in that home. Umuntu onesimilar story ashare in the comment section ukuthi eyakhe ivision iyaba attacked kanjani. I was thinking about something nje apha during the day, into yobana udevil doesn't sleep, will let you uqale iprocess yonke, wenze yonke into, afike athi no, you are not going to get this, and you have to make peace with it. You pray yes for God to come through for you, but hi guys, I'm telling you. So now I'm gonna mix spices so that ngizofaka apha enyameni. No, let me use butter. And when you think about it, when you think about it, uzovela ubone nje into yobana no, this is a devil at work. This is the devil at work, because the devil doesn't like izinto ezinhle. doesn't like izinto ezinhle, not at all, not at all. Ubona into yobana this devil is fighting your vision. I'm gonna melt this in the microwave. In the meantime, let me wash this. Yeah, guys, so now I'm going to put the spices here. Start with arrowroot, oregano, and then I'll use basil leaves, and then the 6-gun. I love the 6-gun. Like, I use the 6-gun in almost every grill Indians are. I love it so much. So anaskali guys, ngikala ngenhloko. So yeah, I don't want to be emotional, but I was thinking about that now that it's a Sunday. It's a Sunday. Share in the comment section how the devil attacked your vision, or maybe attacked your, what is it kanye kangaba kuthiwani when izinto ziqala ngawe sonke. So kangabe attack loo nto leyo, yabona into yobana this person is here to break the curse, the generational curse. Yabona makuthiwa uphilwa ngegrace, that's the grace. But again, what I like is that God will never leave you. He will never leave you. Never, never. He will be with you in the fight. So now here are my wings, and this is the mixture. This is the mixture. I'm going to pour it here. Here. And then I'll use my hands. I washed them just to marinate the spices in the meat. Wow, it looks nice, it looks cute. I hope it's gonna taste good. And then I'm going to cover this for a few minutes before I put it in the air fryer. Let's hope it is alright. Gonna cover it. For a few minutes, I'm gonna let it sit. So I'm gonna put in this air fryer paper holder. I don't like scrubbing. And double it. So this is how it looks inside. And now I can put this. Should have taken this thing out. Now, time for the veggies. Just going to season them. So I'm going to just throw this in the air fryer when it's done with the chicken. Let's see, coming. Good. Yeah, it should be in